Quick spoiler alert, today I want to talk about a different perspective. If too many people expect something to happen, Bitcoin will do the opposite. Alright guys, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and also hit the ring bell so you never miss any important videos. As always, I got my black tea today, and because it's Sunday, I have a second tea. I have a fennel tea. So 2 teas. Also get a drink yourself and smash the like button for the algorithm. And let's start right away. Today, I want to talk about a different perspective. A few months ago, after my birthday, from the end of February to the mid-March, we had a almost non-stop pump on Bitcoin. And there was a massive fear of missing out. Everyone thought they would miss the boat, and there was way too much panic buying, and we almost did not have any retracement or any move down. Everyone thought that Bitcoin would go to $80,000, 90, and way past $100,000. However, we reached a local peak, and ever since then, which actually, by the way, now is almost 4 months, okay? Almost 4 months now, we're going sideways, and every single time we are barely just teasing the top, and we get rejected, sometimes even lower and lower on the top side here. And every single time, rejection, 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 rejection. Bitcoin loves to essentially tease everyone, and most of the time, not every time, but most of the time, Bitcoin does the exact opposite of what everyone expects. So back then, everyone expected Bitcoin to pump endlessly, and now it is a little bit mixed, but a big chunk of people actually think that we will not hold this important support zone right here, and that we will actually go lower again. I said this before, from here to here is a massive minus distribution, which means from here to here, no volume is traded, and we have big fair value gaps here on the left side, and the market makers know this. This is why we have to hold this support, otherwise the price can fall down from here to here like a stone. Right now, the majority of liquidity is above us. We have tons of shorts right here, which have been constantly accumulating as we've been going lower right here, and below us, we don't have much more liquidity left. Yes, we do have some longs right here, which have been open since February. If too many people expect something to happen, Bitcoin will do the opposite. And that's also why the liquidity heat map works so well every single time, because the heat map shows you in real life where all the liquidations are. For example, here, short term on the 3-day chart, we can see we have way more shorts than longs, which means short term, this here is a bigger target than below. And this way, you can always analyze where the most liquidity is and combine this with your technical analysis. Now, let's zoom in on the 4-hour chart because we have a brand new pattern. We have a wedge. We have lower highs consecutively, which means the sellers are getting stronger, while the buyers are also getting stronger. Eventually, until one gives up and one loses, and then we pump up or we pump down. Like I said, the breakout is a risky trade. However, the retest is always a safer trade, and you have a way higher win rate. The interesting aspect is that the bullish target right here would be the perfect retest of our wedge right here, and we would liquidate all those shorts which we've been accumulating ever since we've been going down. And on the other hand, the bearish target of this wedge would be perfectly our double bottom, which also I anticipated previously with a lower price low somewhere in this region, in the support box, and the RSI will make a higher low. Now, this is a very high consistency reversal pattern, and this will be the target if, again, we break down, or we break down, retest, and come back down here. By the way, same thing, in my last YouTube video, we were right here, and we had the most liquidity just below us, above us not so much. What happens? Price goes down, picks this up. Because every single time lots of greedy traders open long positions, the market makers love to just shake them out right away. And especially when lots of longs get opened and when they get opened way too fast at the same time, which happened right here. And right now, for example, short term, again, we have too many shorts opened right here and not so much longs below us. Quick reminder, empty gogs who are holding right now $8.7 billion of Bitcoin will start to sell next month. So essentially in the next few days or next week, they will dump step by step. However, I already explained that this here is not a big concern because they will sell in stages, and most of the fear of this event has been priced in already way before it happened. Also, same thing with the German government, with the BKA. They have also $2.8 million. They also sent lots of Bitcoins here to Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp, lots of exchanges. But also, again, they will sell in stages. Quick spoiler alert, I made a video about copy trading on BitGet, and I followed a bunch of traders, and so far the results are 100% win rate, 22 wins, 0 losses, and a $6.24 profit. And this is although I only gave every single trader only $10 as margin. So this essentially is already a very good return, and this only after 1 day. Funnily enough, this is just from one trader, a little bit also from this trader, and some losses from these traders. But this actually was also the best trader that we anticipated from my analysis from the last video. So if you want to watch this and learn how to set this up yourself with the best settings, you can watch this video right here. Again, it's very high risk, but it is also high reward. That is it. Smash the like button, enjoy your Sunday, and I will see you in the next video right here, or actually right here. You can pick either one. Both videos are great. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Actually, I will see you right now, like I said. Thanks for your insane support. Peace.